Okay, now we are continuing with our math classes. We're continuing with our math classes. Okay. So we continue with fractions actually. This is a continuing a follow-up on fractions lessons. Okay. Now, common fraction decimal fraction, common fraction, decimal fraction, percentage fraction, and ratio fraction. Okay, there are types of fractions. First one is a common fraction. Example, 1.5, that's common fraction. 1/3, that's a common fraction. 5/6, 25/26. Those are common fractions. Common fraction. Okay. Okay. 2. Decimal fraction is like, we say, like 0.5. That's also a fraction. It's a decimal number. It is a decimal number, but it's also a called decimal fraction. Okay, 0.5. Another one is 1.2. 1 decimal point 2. That's also a decimal fraction. Decimal number or decimal fraction. Okay, and then we have 0.1872, etc. Okay, that's a decimal fraction. How about pi? Pi, remember this number, remember this symbol if you don't know it for future classes. Okay, pi is 3.1415, etc. Can be many numbers after the 5, but 3.1415 is good. 3.14 is more than enough. 3.14 is more than enough. Okay, so those are the common and the decimal fraction. Okay, percentage fraction. Examples: 50%, 3%, 27%, 100%. Okay, these are percentage fraction. 50%, 3%, 27%, 100%. These are percentage fraction. Now, ratio fraction. Example, 1:2. That's ratio. If you say like I have a ratio of 1:2. 1:2 means if somebody like he's 90 years old, I'm 56, so I'm kind of 1 to him, he's 2, as double of my age. So I'm 56, so he is 99 or something, approximately, just to give you an example. So he's like twice as me. So that's also ratio fraction. Or you can say a small car and a huge truck. Okay, so how small is the small car in comparison to the large truck is maybe half or quarter. So it's the big truck is twice as big as the car. If you measure it, this is 1 and this is 2, so in ratio wise it's 2 to 1. Okay, the large truck is 2 to 1. Okay, so these are the types of fractions. So common fraction, decimal fraction, percentage fraction, ratio fraction. Okay, so read it, understand it, and please view and subscribe to my YouTube. And this example is from my book, Zoom into Math. Zoom into Math. You can have it at zoomintomath.com. Zoomintomath.com. Okay, I'll see you next video.